Hey everyone, Anna Krueger here with Mega Lead Conversion. And today we're going to talk about what do you do when someone answers the phone and then very quickly says, oh, I'm busy. Can you call me later? Or it could sound like I'm in a meeting. Can you call me some other time? The thing is, if they picked up the phone, we can reasonably assume that they likely do have time to talk. And what they're really wanting to do is just get us off the phone, and they're being polite by saying, hey, I'm in a meeting. So there are 3 steps to navigate this. Before I tell you what they are, I want you to know a student learned this 2 weeks ago, and just last week reported she set 1 appointment off of this strategy in just that 1 short week when it was brand new to her. So this absolutely works. So step number 1 is you're going to thank them. And that simply sounds like, I am so glad you let me know. Step number 2, you're going to ask, when is better? Now, no matter what they tell you, don't belabor the point. They are likely trying to hang up on you. And if they say, call me tomorrow, and you respond with, oh, what time tomorrow? 2 o'clock, 5 o'clock? I find that is when people hang up with you. So just when is better, and regardless of how vague they are, just keep moving. So to repeat, number 1, thank you so much for letting me know. Number 2, when is better? And then the last step, number 3, is, hey, in 30 seconds or less, what has you thinking of moving? Now, some people will answer that question and then they're going to get sucked into the conversation because now they are talking about themselves. And we know that when people talk about themselves, the conversation becomes more interesting to them and they're more likely to stay engaged. So that is a win. Clearly, if they stay on the phone and they keep talking and they do not say for a second time, I'm busy, can you just call me later? Then just keep going. Just keep talking in that conversation. Now, if they say it a second time, maybe they said, call me tomorrow, but like I said, I really have to go. At that point, you're going to go ahead and let them go, but document anything that you learned so that your next call is stronger. So for example, they may say, well, I want to downsize, but like I said, I have to go. In your notes, put downsize so that your next call, you can start with, I know you want to downsize, and you are already going to be a more interesting person to talk to. All right. So again, the 3 steps. Number 1, thank you for letting me know. Number 2, when is better? And then number 3, in 30 seconds or less, what has you thinking about moving? If you enjoyed these 3 steps and you think that they're going to work for you, just know you can learn way more than just that in the class Mega Lead Conversion. We teach 19 language patterns, very similar to what I just taught you in this brief video. And we teach you all the models and systems around lead generation. Right now, skill is essential. In the past, skill was nice to have. Now it is a must-have in the market that we're in. So join us on August 2nd for the class Mega Lead Conversion, and you're going to learn a whole lot more just like this. See you soon.